Assalamu alaikum dear student. This is Salim Khan from Ghulam Abbas. I like to welcome you to our online classes. Dear student, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is frequency of time. Frequency of time belongs to one of the part of the speech that is called adverb. That's why on this basis we also call frequency of time as adverb of time. What is frequency of time? As you can see here, they are once, twice, three times, four times, five times, etc. They give us the repetition of an action over a period of time. Dear student, after this lesson, you will be able to know the definition of frequency of time, suitable tenses for its use, and place and position of the frequency of time in a sentence. Dear student, frequency of time help to answer the question how many time or how often an action is repeated. Secondly, it help us to know the actual number, how many or how often is used for the actual number of repetition of an action. And the last thing, that frequency of time implies habit. On this basis, we will discuss the suitable tenses for the use of frequency of time. Dear student, there is a number of frequency of time, but we are going to learn the correct use of once, twice, and three time, four time, etc. That's why we are going to see the place of these frequency of time in a sentence. So keep in your mind that they usually come at the end of a sentence. Mostly they come at the end of a sentence. As you can see in the example, I brush my teeth. This is the action. Brushing teeth is the action, and this thing is show that how many time is this action is repeated. You can see again, I brush my teeth twice a day. Twice a day is put over there at the end of the sentence, as I told you. Second, she visits her parents once a month. Number last, we say our prayer 5 times a day. How many times do you say your prayer? Or how many time, how often do you say your prayer? Both are the same thing. So there is no need to be worried about that. Dear student, as I told you in the earlier clip that frequency of time implies habit. That's why we can use only three tenses for the frequency of time. Number one is present simple, which is also called present indefinite tense. The second is past simple or past indefinite tense, and the last one is future simple or future indefinite tense. Let's have some practice with question. Here are some questions, and look at them very carefully and also try to understand the answer of making answer. How often we can use another word for this, how many times. As you can see in the second example, how many times or how often, they are the same thing. Do you visit your school library? Once again, how often do you visit your school library? So we are going to make the answer. Start from here. I, you will change into I. I visit my, your will change into my. I visit my school library once a week. So it depends upon you. How many times do you go to your school library? You can write the frequency of time there in the answer. Like if you are going 2 times, so you can write I visit my school library twice a week, once a day. Like such kind of frequency of time you can use for the answer. Look at number second. How many time? Dear student, tell me which other word can we use in place of how many time? Yes, how often? As I told you, they are the same thing. How many times do you cut your nail? Sorry. Dear student, you know that we cut our nail once a week. So we are going to write the answer. You will change into I cut my nail once a week. Is it easy or hard for you? Yes, it's easy and very interesting. Look at how often, and what can we use instead of how often? How many times? Yes. Do you take examination in a year? So we are going to write the answer. I take examination 3 times a year. Once again, I take examination 3 times a year. Look at the second last question. How many times do you take a bath? Usually we take bath daily. So we are going to write the answer. I take a bath daily, or this is also correct. I take bath once a day or twice a day. Now the last question. How often do you visit your dentist? The doctor who treat teeth of a person is called dentist. So people usually visit the doctor once or 2 times in a year. That's why we are going to write the answer. I visit my dentist once a year. Or you can also write like this. I visit my dentist twice a year. Dear student, I hope that you will have learned this topic very easily. And still, if you have any kind of problem, ask me. I will be very pleased to give you the answer. Till the next class, take care. Inshallah, see you in the next classes. Till date, Allah Hafiz.